I have a confession for you. This wall is very low. It scares the shit out of me every fucking time.
Come on!
2 guys. 1 item. 50 feet height. Welcome to Under Destruction.
Today we have a very special episode.
We have a freeze. No, seriously, we have a freeze. So we need help.
And we brought you the best. If we make money out of it, we really must make a life insurance.
I think he's aiming at me.
We just have to hide what we do from the insurance company.
Hey, are you aiming at me?
I'm very proud to introduce you the best Greek prankster, Astathios, and his partner John Rozakis from YouTube channel Astathios Pranks Team.
Astathios. Pranks.
Συγγνώμη και ώρα! Μου είπα να πάρω κροκοδιλάκια. Θα πάρω κροκοδιλάκια. Θα τα βάλουμε.
So, what's up, guys?
Actually, we're very happy that we're here with you guys. We like very much your channel.
Ωραία, και από εκεί θα πάτε, αλλάξτε, θα πάτε προς το τρελό βλέπετε πως θα πάτε.
We wish you the best for your channel, guys.
Thanks, mate.
So, are you gonna help us with the refrigerator?
Of course.
Cool. So, let's head it over to Gravity.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Under distraction, man! Under distraction. The best Greek distraction channel.
So, how was it?
Nice job, guys.
Actually, very cool experience.
Well, it used to be cool, but I don't think it's going to be cool anymore. At this point, I have to say that Astathios wasn't sure that the refrigerator was going to disassemble. He said that probably would stay one piece, and he was quite right, okay?
You are the expert guy.
So, that's all for today. If you liked our video, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you want to join the team of
Under Distraction!
And safety first. Always condom, guys.
Fuck safety.
Where are you going? Don't leave me alone.